Alright, so this is going to be a quick headlights cleaning. Alright, first thing is just cleaning your lens. Take some water. Let's clean. I haven't washed my car for a decade, feels like. Alright, so let's see. Alright, it's pretty dirty. I said you need to use a soap, but I think just the water would be perfect. Outside's a little cold today. Alright, it's really pretty clean. It's not that foggy, but I think it's going to help if we do this. Alright, second step, masking. Alright, I got a bad masking tape. It's killing me. Well, let's just put some coverage on it. Alright. I think I got this masking tape sitting in the garage for over the winter. It's making it very difficult. Alright. Okay. Now you want to probably do this and double up your masking, because you are sanding. You need a protection. You don't want to sand other places, especially these kind of grills. Comes expensive and you gotta work on it. It's best to go ahead and apply much as masking tape as possible. Alright, so I need to go ahead and put where the paint is now. Okay. Alright. Okay. The temperature outside is almost 30 degrees, so it's very cold, but I think you can probably do this on any temperatures. Okay. And that's probably will be okay. Okay. The next step. I've got this 3M headlights restoration system. I'm going to open this up. You get a compound, and you are going to get a couple things. You're going to get attachment. This little piece. You are going to get the 800 wet sanding, and then you're going to get a couple of the 800s. You're going to get the 500s grid, and then your buffers. Alright. First thing we need is to work on the 500s, which is called a yellow pad. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to attach this to the drill. And we're going to go ahead and attach this. Alright. So I do have a manual here. And let's see what the manual actually says. It tells you to wipe it, mask it with the yellow. You're going to go ahead and sand it out and see if you can actually take all your yellow colors and cloudiness out. Alright, we'll start slowly. You gotta be real slow. don't want to go too fast. You want to go at medium speed. Start slow and then work up. Now around this little notches, you want to be real careful. Okay. You really want to get that thing centered real good. Okay. I think the best is just take a rag, put some water, clean it real good. Alright, just to see where you're at. Okay. I'm pretty good. I'm missing just a little portion of it. So I'm going to go back up and check. Okay. Good. Alright. I think I got a pretty decent. Alright, I think I missed a little bit here still. Okay. I'll clean this up real quick. Check it out where we're at. Okay, I think overall it looks pretty good.